Hi kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to start off by looking at our number line right here. And I want to see what you notice and wonder to start with. Okay, so let's check out our number line and think about what you notice and what you wonder. This would be a good time to hit pause. Hit pause right now. Okay, I hope you hit pause. I'm back, and I'm going to guess that you noticed that the start of this number line is 100. And the ending number that we see on the number line is 200. Did anybody notice that? So those are called our endpoints on the number line. And maybe you noticed the middle of the number line. What is the middle of the number line? What number do you think goes in the middle? All right, I'm going to start with my marker, and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to run the marker across the number line. And if you think I've hit the middle, I want you to yell, stop! Okay, so here we go. Anybody saying stop yet? That's not the middle, is it? Okay, so let's try again. Are you yelling? Is everybody going, stop? This is right here, right? The halfway point right here is 150. So that is halfway between 100 and 200. Whoa, I overshot that one. There we go. So let's see, from 100 to 150, we add 50. And then from 150 to 200, we add another 50. And we could probably prove that, right? We could prove that we added 50 to get from here to here. Could anybody prove that for me? I'm going to guess that somebody said I can prove it, and that you could do little hops of 10. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so that's 50. Each one of these littler hops is a hop of 10. Maybe you even notice that. You're like, well, this is increasing by tens, not one. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. All right, then we've got hops of 10 again. So plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. All right. Okay, I see you right now. You're probably counting the hops of 10. Let's find out. How many hops of 10 do we have from 100 to 200? We had to have 10 hops of 10. So from here to here, we had 10 hops of 10. Yeah, there's so many things to notice and wonder, right? Okay, I'm going to ask you now if I put a little spot on the number line. Ooh, look at that. If I put a little spot on the number line and another little spot on the number line, how many hops you would have to take to get there? All right, so let's see here. I'm going to put a little mark right here. So my starting number is 120. I want to know how much it would take me to get to 170. How much would I have to add on to get from 120 to 170? All right, so I want you to hit pause right now, and I want you to think about your strategy. What would you do to get there? Okay, I know my strategy. I'm going to guess some of yours. So my strategy would be 120, and I have to figure out how much I would need to hop to get to 170, right? So I'm trying to figure that out, and I'm thinking basically in hops of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's check if that's true. So 120 plus 50 makes 170. Is that true? And remember, each of these is hops of 10, right? 10, 10, 10. Okay, I won't keep writing it. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, starting number is going to change. So is the ending number. All right, let's see if we can do it. Can't you do it without making a mess? I can. I think I can. Did you guys ever have to say that? I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. All right, here we go. Here's your starting number, 110, and your ending number is 200. Okay, 110 to 200. 110 plus what makes 200? All right, hit pause. Figure out your very best strategy. I have a different guess this time. I have a guess that goes like this. Okay, watch this. I bet some of you knew from here to here, it would be 100. From 100 to 200. Did anybody think about that? From 100 to 200, we'd have to add 100, right? But we started off not on 100. We already had a hop of 10 there, right? So we started at 110. So maybe some of you are saying your answer is 110, and maybe you're saying it's 90. Because from here to here, of course, it's 9 hops of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that would make 90. So 110 plus 90 makes 200. It's so fun to play around with a number line. I hope you draw out number lines. I hope you use your whiteboard and marker and really just kind of play and figure out things. That's what I like to do as a mathematician. All right, I'm going to hit pause so that we can look at our story problem. I got to move the camera. See you back here just 1 second. I'm back, and we've got a story problem about golf balls because I know we've got some avid golfers out there. Raise your hand if you like to go golfing. Raise your hand if you've been golfing during COVID times, because that's a sport you don't have to get too close to people, right? Okay, so we've got golf balls. Eric has golf balls. He finds some more in the basement. Okay, so he has some already. Then he goes down to his basement and he finds some more. Now Eric has golf balls. How many golf balls did Eric find in the basement? Okay, let's check this out with our numbers. What do you guys think? Let's put some numbers in. We've got 120 and 270, or we've got 172 and 283, or 215 and 298. Now, we have to make sure we're picking our just right number set, right? So if this is your just right number set, that's the one you fill in. 120 and second number 270. Now, second thing to remember, read it back to yourself with the numbers in. Don't forget that part. Third thing, as you're reading, stop to imagine. It's a lot to remember, right? Okay, so Eric has 120 golf balls. Okay, so that's a lot of golf balls. Okay, he finds some more in the basement. Do we know how many he found in the basement? No. We just know he goes down there and he finds some more. Okay, now Eric has 270 golf balls. Okay, so we know he had 120. And now he has 270. And we have to figure out how many golf balls Eric found in the basement. So when he went down there, he found some more, but we don't know how many he found. All right, so you could use number bonds. You could use number lines. You could use base 10 as your strategy, right? Using those guys there. You can use whatever you want, but I want to see your work, and I want to make sure your work is neat and clear so that I can understand it, because your teachers share your ideas with me. So I love seeing your stuff. Okay, you guys, it's your turn. Go grab your tools, and I'll see you next time. Bye.